Epson printer support. How to connect an Epson printer to your computer. Step 1. Set your printer near your computer. Make sure that it is close enough that the cable can reach your computer. Step 2. To make the connection process easier, install any software that came packaged with the printer before connecting it. Step 3. Plug the printer into your computer using the USB cable. Step 4. Follow the prompts Windows provides to install the printer. Step 5. Confirm that your printer was installed correctly. Then download updated drivers from the manufacturer. If your printer doesn't install, call now to troubleshoot Epson printer issues. Global phone support. 1-800-857-2133, Epson printer support.